Morning students, welcome back to the mathematics online class. Okay, so today we shall complete the exercise 7.4 problems. So before that, let's recall what's are the difference between the permutations and combinations. Okay, so what do you mean by permutation? Permutation is an arrangement in a definite order. Okay, so when you read the questions and if you come across that the particular question they are asking us to arrange things, then arrange things in a definite order, then that is our permutation. Okay, in combination, what we do in combination, we just select things. Okay, so in the combination we just select the things or choose the things or pick the things. Is that clear, students? So now just some basic differences or the basic differences in which you can identify the problems based on permutations and combinations. Okay, you might have gone through all the questions, students, right from 7.1 to 7.4. Okay, each and every question, read them carefully. By reading itself you will understand which question is permutation and which question is combination. Okay, so now let's see some of the basic differences between the problems. So in permutations you might have observed the problems are, okay, basically based on arrangements. Is that clear? The problems are basically based on arrangements. Okay, or you may have also come across problems starting in a line, seating persons in a row. Okay, so we in discussion paper we have seen children's made to stand in a line, okay, and arrange them. Okay, so such type of questions. Okay, so such type of concepts you have come across in each permutation, one or the other you have come across in permutation problems. Okay, so next you may have come across problems on digits, right? So form a 3 digit number, 2 digit number, form a 3 digit even number, right? Form a 2 digit even number. So such type of questions. Okay, and next one, problems on the letters from a word. So using the letters of the given word, arrange them, right? So these are some basic differences which you come across in the problems of permutation and combination. And in combination you might have come across problems on selection, choose. Okay, the moment you read it, okay, read once, twice, thrice, definitely you will understand we need to use NPR or NCR. Okay, we need to understand it based upon arrangements, selection and arrangements, and in combination only selection, only choose, or only picking the things. Okay, so now next, problems on distributed group is formed. Group. Okay, so 3 boys and 4 girls, 6 red balls, 3 black balls, five white balls. So pick three from every color. Okay, you are making a group over there. Okay, or a team. You may have come across a team also, right? So problems on committee. Okay, so these many people are there, so we have to make a committee of 5. Or problems of geometry. Okay, so there are some geometry problems also which we shall see in the tomorrow's class, that is based on our discussion paper. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so these are some basic understanding between the problems of permutation and combination. Okay, just take this down and keep rereading things. Okay, in mathematics, okay, mathematics will not scare you unless and until you are touch with the subject daily. Okay, so that's the problem, most of the students don't be regular with the mathematics, so that's why they say the mathematics is very tough. Okay, but don't worry students, it's very easy, just be in touch, work hard daily. Okay, so now just take this down, we shall start with the remaining two problems of the exercise 7.4. Okay, so remember, permutations, arrangements in some definite order. Okay, and combination, just selection. And here order is not important. Here order is not important. But here order in which you arrange the things is very, very important. Okay, is that clear? So the first question number 7 here, 8 we have solved. So that's why I have written only 7 and 9. So what does the question 7 tell us? In how many ways can one select? So select, it is written easily. You can say it's nothing but a combination, selection, choose, pick. Okay. So in how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11? Okay. So cricket team consists of 11 players from 17 players. So you have to make a cricket team of 11 from how many students? From 17 players, in which only 5 players can bowl. So that means in the collection of 17 players, only 5 players can bowl. If each cricket team of 11, okay, so the question is, if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. Okay, so what is the total number of persons we have, or the players we have? 17. In those 17, only 5 players can bowl. The rest cannot bowl. Okay, is that clear? It is understood that the rest, only they are telling only 5 players can bowl, means the rest cannot bowl, so they are batsmen only. Okay, so you have to make a cricket team in such a way that you have to make a cricket team of 11 players such that it should exactly include 4 bowlers. Okay, so we have 17 players with us. We have 17 players with us, right? So among this, only 5 are bowlers. Only 5 are bowlers. Means the remaining how many? Right. So remaining are, we can say they are batsmen, right? So the 17 players are grouped into 5 bowlers and 12 batsmen. So now you have to make a cricket team of 11, right? So you have to make a cricket team of 11 with the condition that exactly 4 bowlers must be present. So 4 bowlers is to be picked out of how many bowlers? Out of 5 bowlers. Can be done in how many ways, students? 5C4 ways. Okay, but our team is to be comprising of 11 players, students. Is that clear? We have to make a cricket team of 11 in which exactly 4 bowlers are present. So bowlers work is over now. We have selected the bowlers, right? But the team is not completed. Keep that in mind. Okay, just one part of the work is over. Among the 11 players, we have chosen exactly 4 bowlers. We have chosen exactly 4 bowlers. Okay, but still we made only a team of 4 still. But how many we need to make? 11. So among this, 4 we have chosen, right? 4 bowlers we have chosen, but still the work is incomplete. I have to make it a 11 team. So how many students here? Remaining still 7 players, right? So remaining 7 players, 4 bowlers must be compulsorily picked. Okay, now you cannot pick again from the bowlers itself. Now you have to pick from the remaining players, right? So the remaining 7 players in the team of 11 can be selected out of out of 12 players in 12C7 ways. Now the total work is over. Okay, so now the total work is over. So hence by multiplication principle, so hence by multiplication principle, the total number of ways is equal to 5C4. Okay, selection of 4 bowlers, and the remaining team also should complete, right? So only 4 bowlers are picked, but a team comprises of 11 players, and I have to pick the 11 players. I have to make a team of 11. So the remaining 7 players can be picked among the 12. Okay, so now just keep on simplifying, you will get the answer. Okay. So using the formula NCR is equal to NC n minus R. Okay, so we can write 5C4 as 5C n minus R, 5 minus 4 into 12C7. 12C7 can be written as 12 minus 7. Okay, n minus R. So 5C1 into 12C. So if 7 is omitted, so 12C5. So just simplify this, you will get the answer as 3960. Okay. So 5C1 will be 5 and 12C5. Just use the definition, students. NCR n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. Okay, so there are 3960 ways in which you can make a cricket team of 11, which includes exactly 4 bowlers. Okay, so now we shall move to the next question, ninth question. Okay, students, now question number 9. So what does question number 9 tells us? In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses? Okay, so a student has to choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available. So there are 9 courses available for the student, a student, but he has to pick how many? 5 courses, right? And 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student. Okay, this here is a twist in the question. Okay, so now in how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available? So 9 courses are available for the student. Is that clear? 9 courses are available, but a student has to choose how many? So he can choose 5 courses only. He can choose 5 courses only, right, out of the given 9 courses. But the twist is 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student. Okay, 2 among this given selection. Okay, he has to choose, right, he has to choose 5 courses, right, out of the 9 courses available. But to compulsorily take it, or it is the rule by the board that he has to, we have to give 2 specific courses to every student. For example, okay, you can understand here itself. So let's suppose in the given college or any college, English, Hindi, PCMB, electronics CS are there. Okay, so just an example. So English, Hindi, physics, chemistry, maths, biology, electronics, CS are there. Okay. Among this, he has to pick 5 courses. But in that, 2 specific courses are compulsory. Are compulsory for every student. Means he doesn't have any choice over that 2 specific courses. Is that clear? So English and Hindi, he has to study compulsorily. Okay, so English and Hindi he has to study compulsorily. There is no choice for him. Okay, he has to take it compulsorily and study them. So only thing he can choose is that among the remaining courses, right? He can choose it among PCMB, electronics or CS. Is that clear? So now, so 9 courses are available for him. He has to study, he has to take 5 courses, but 2 courses are compulsory for him. He can't do anything. Those 2 courses, 2 specific courses they are telling. Okay, 2 specific courses he has to study. Okay, whether he likes it or doesn't like it. Okay, so how many are there for him for choice? So 2 is compulsory, he can't do anything. So how many he can choose now? So he has only 3 courses which he can choose. Either he can take physics, chemistry or maths or biology or electronics or CS. But the languages, is compulsory. He has to take it only. Okay, is that clear? So 2 courses he has to take compulsorily means, so among the available courses, 2 courses he has to pick compulsorily. Means how many are left for him to choose? 7 courses, right? He has to pick 5 courses, but two he doesn't have any right. They are being pushed compulsorily. So how many he can choose? 3 courses. So it can be done in 7C3 ways. Okay. So out of the available 9 courses, a student can choose 5 courses. A student can choose out of the 9 available courses, a student can choose 5 courses, but he doesn't have any right over 2 courses. 2 courses he cannot choose. Those are compulsory. Compulsory he should take. That means, right? You can understand. So how many he can? 2 are compulsory, right? So he can choose among 3 only from the available. So is that clear? So that's how 7C3 ways. So the total number of ways, the total number of ways in which a student can choose, a student can choose 5 courses, 5 courses in which two specific courses, in which two specific courses are compulsory. Compulsory. How many ways? 7C3. Okay, so just solve this. 7 factorial by 3 factorial. 7 minus 3, 4 factorial. So simplify and see what will be the answer. The answer is 35. So there are 35 combinations. There are 35 combinations in which you can choose. You can choose a 5 courses out of the 9 available courses, with the condition 2 specific courses are compulsory. Okay. Now this completes your exercise, and this completes your permutations and combinations also, students. Okay. So now you might have gone through the week syllabus, right? So the week syllabus is exercise 7.3, exercise 7.3, 9, 10, 11, question number 9, 10, 11. Those were not part of the previous test, and including the combinations whole complete exercise 7.4. Okay, so now we shall see some different set of problems. Okay. Question number 21. So example 21. Example 21. Okay. Page number 154, students. Example 21. A group consists of 4 girls. A group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways? In how many ways? In how many ways can a team of? In how many ways can a team of 5 members? Can a team of 5 members be selected? Be selected if the team has. If the team has, first one, no girl. If the team has no girl, second one, at least one boy, at least one boy and one girl. At least one boy and one girl. Third bit, at least at least 3 girls. Okay, so the question here is a group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. Okay, a group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways can a team of 5 members be selected? Okay, only selection is happening. They are not asking arrange boys so that no two girls sit together, or arrange girls so that no two boys sit together. Okay, so that's why when you are reading the questions, read very carefully. You will understand very easily which question is combination and which question is permutation. Okay, so now in this part of the question, they are given selected, right? So it's nothing but a combination only. And if you read the question also, if you read the question also, you will understand they are talking about just selection, or they are talking about a group consisting of 4 girls and 7 boys. So from this you have to pick 5 members in such a way. So there are 3 conditions, right? So now look here. First one, a group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. Okay, there is a group consisting of 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways can a team of 5 members? You have to make a team of 5 members, right? So team, I have told, team also means it's nothing but a combination only. In how many ways can a team of 5 members be selected? Be selected if the team has no girl. So let's see the first one, students. Okay, so what they are telling, there is a group comprising of 4 girls and 7 boys. Is that clear? So 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways can a team of 5? You have to make a team of 5 if the team has first one no girl. Okay, you have to make a 5 members team, but the first condition is there shouldn't be any girl. Means the 5 members you have to pick is from boys only, right? In how many ways you can do it? You have to make a 5 members team out of how many? 7 boys. And you are not picking any girl because the condition is no girl. So in this team, in the team of 5 members, the first team should be in such a way that the 5 member in the 5 members team, there should not be any girls. Means I shouldn't pick any girls at all, right? But our question is to frame a 5 committee, right? Sorry, 5 members, right? So that 5 members will come from where? Boys. So how will you do this? So 7 boys taking 5 at a time. Is that clear, students? Okay. So now this will be 7 factorial by 5 factorial. 7 minus 5, 2 factorial. I am using NCR formula. So 7 into 6 into 5 factorial, whole divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial. Right. So 5 factorial get cancels. 2 factorial will be 2, 2 and 3. So it's total 21 team. Okay. You can make a combination of 21 different ways in which, or 25, 21 team in which no girl is present. Okay, I hope so first one you have understood. So now let me see the second one. So no girl, how many ways you could do this? 7C5 which is equal to 21. Okay, 7C5 which is equal to 21. Now the second part of the question. Now the second part, you have to make a 5 members team only. But the second part condition, at least one boy and one girl. Means in the team of 5 members, there must be at least one boy and one girl also. Is that clear? So at least means I have told you while solving some of the permutation problem itself, at least means, okay, at least means minimum. Okay, so what is the maximum marks you can score in any subject? 100. Right, now I'll ask you, what are the minimum marks to pass a particular exam? 35. So minimum he has to score 35 marks, right? Then only he can be awarded as pass. Okay, so is it any problem if he scores 36? 36 is also pass only, right? So minimum 35 he has to score to pass, but it is nowhere wrong if he scores 50, 60, 70, 75, 85, 95, 100. Okay, is that clear? So minimum one boy and one girl must be compulsory present. Okay, so a minimum one boy. That means the team can consist of two boys also, three boys also, four boys, five boys, six boys, seven boys, eight boys. And we have to look at the question also, where to stop the counting. Okay, so now we shall see. Okay, a team consists of, okay, a combination of the second question may be in this manner. So minimum one boy and one girl, right? So I'll tell. So first team or the combination can be one boy, right? Let me start with minimum one boy only. One boy. So that team should contain minimum one, right? So, but our team is a five members team, right? You cannot leave like this only. So they are saying minimum one boy and one girl should be present, and it should complete five members also. So one boy and four girls. Can I say? 1 plus 4 how many? 5. And it also satisfies the condition minimum one boy and minimum one girl, right? Minimum one girl means it can be more than one also, right? Or this is one of the collection, right? So this is one of the team. But can I also make a team of two boys and three girls? Okay, read the question again and again. What they are saying, there must be minimum one boy and one girl. Okay, so that means a team can comprises of one boy, two boys, three boys, four boys, five boys, so on. Or you can make a team in this manner: three boys and two girls. Okay, why I am changing numbers? I have to make a team of five. Okay, so I cannot take four girls here. Three, four will become seven. I need a team comprising of five members. Okay, so or I can select a team in this manner. So these are the possible ways in which you can make a team comprising of one boy and one girl. So are they not possible? Yes, right. So all these are possible, right? So that's why I'm writing over there. So now four boys and one girl. Okay, so how many boys are there for us? Seven boys. I can go till seven. Five boys, right? Team, how much? The team should comprises of five members, right? So we need to stop here itself because five boys, we got our five boys. Okay, boys, that team, we got our five collection, right? We should stop here only. But read the question. The question tells minimum one boy should be present and one girl also. If we take this combination, I cannot pick any girl over there. Is that clear? So a team, it is satisfying five members, but it is not satisfying one more condition. The one more condition is one boy and one girl, right? Minimum one and minimum one girl. Minimum one boy and minimum one girl. So boys, it is satisfying, and I have up to seven possibilities I can take. But here itself I have to stop because a team will be five. So now what I can do? Zero girl I can write hardly. But zero girl is not the condition. The condition is minimum at least one girl should be present. So this combination is not possible. So these are the possible number of ways in which you can pick a team. Okay. So now let me write down the ways. Okay, so one boy and four girls. A team is a five-member team. First possibility, one boy and four girls. So how many boys, students? Seven. You have to take one at a time, 7C1. And I have to pick girls also. Then only the work is complete. And means multiplication, students. So how many boy girls are there? Four. I have to take four at a time. Is that clear? Right? Or a team can be in this manner also. Okay, so 7C2 plus 4C3, right? Or, okay, understand, these are the four possible ways of team. Either it can be selected in this way, or it can be selected in this way, or in the third way, or in the fourth way, or I'm saying that means you have to use addition. Okay, so three boys and two girls. Concentrate on what we are discussing and what we are speaking also, student. It will be very easier for you to understand. So three boys you have to select among how many? Seven. 7C3. Right? Sorry, student. And I'm saying and multiplication, but I am writing plus. Hope you have understood it. Okay, before me recognized it, so you might have recognized. And into two girls. So two girls, 4C2, or this may be the team, four boys, seven boys. From seven boys, you have to pick into one girl. So one girl means 4C1. Right. So hence the total number of ways in which at least one boy and one girl will make a five members team is, right. So it is 7C1 into 4C4 plus 7C2 into 4C3 plus 7C3 into 4C2, okay, plus 7C4 into 4C1. Okay, so now just simplify this, students, you will get the answer. NC1, this is in the form of NC1, right? N means 7, NCN is 1. So 7 into 1, 7. So use the formulas, you will get the answer as, this will be 7 plus 84, and this will give you 84, this will give you 210 plus 140. So add these up, students, add, the answer is 441 ways. 441 ways in which you can make a five-member team with the condition at least one boy and one girl. Okay, hope you have understood this one. Just go through it once again. Okay, so now the third one is also quite similar to the first and second. Okay, I believe you might have solved already, but still let's check. So the third one, the condition is at least three girls. So a team of five members should contain at least three girls. At least I have told you, minimum three. That team should contain minimum three girls. It can be more also, students. Okay. So first one, so sorry, third one, at least three girls. So let me see in how many ways I can make a team out of three, at least three girls. Okay. So the first one, so first one team, can I say minimum three girls I have taken, but the team should have five members, students, right? So minimum three girls is over here, right? So the rest must be taken from boys only. Three girls and two boys. So this is one combination. Okay, so I can make another team also comprising of five members with the condition at least three girls. So minimum 3 girls. It can be more than 3 also, right? So I can take 4 girls also, right? But our team should be 5. So still I have picked only 4 members. So the remaining I should pick from boys, 4 girls and 1 boy students. So 4 plus 1, 5. C. C, 5 girls. Right. So here only team completes. But do we have 5 girls students? We have only 4 girls with us. So how can we make another combination or another team? So this is not possible. Okay. So now how can you do this? 3 girls. So how many girls are there? 4C3 and multiplication 7C2, or this is one of the combination. So 4 girls. So how many are given? 4. You have to take 4 at a time into 1 boy. You have to take out of 7 boy. Right. So this is the total number of ways. 4C3. Okay. This is one team. So a team comprising of 5 with the condition at least 3 girls can be taken as 3 girls and 2 boys, or 4 girls and 1 boy, or addition. Okay. Now just simplify, students, using the formula. You will get the answer as 91. Okay, this when you solve, you'll get 84 plus 7C1 7, 4C4 1 7, which is equal to 91. Okay. So now we shall see another problem. Okay. So example 20. Example 20. How many words? How many words with or without meaning? Okay. How many words with or without meaning? With or without meaning. Each of three vowels. Each of three vowels and two consonants. And two consonants can be formed. Can be formed from the letters. From the letters of the word. From the letters of the word involute. Involute. Okay. Read the question, students, until we start the solution. Make a habit of reading questions. Okay. Make a habit of reading questions with patience. Okay. Don't be in a hurry. Don't jump to the answer. Understand the way it is to be solved. Don't worry about the answer. Okay. Don't worry about the simplification also. That part everybody will do. So understand the process of solving the problem. Okay. Understand the process of, okay, bifurcating this into different sections and understanding bit by bit. Okay. That's important. So don't worry about the simplification and the answer. You will solve it. Okay. So just focus on how it is to be done or to be read the question. So the question here is, how many words with or without meaning, each of three vowels and two consonants, can be formed from the letters of the word involute? So what is the question? What is the word they have given? Involute. So from these, using these letters of the word, okay, you have to make a word. In how many different words you can make with or without meaning. Okay, so it doesn't matter, it has a meaning or doesn't have a meaning, but you have to make a, you might be understanding that sir is talking regarding permutations, but there is another twist in the question. The question it comprises, this is important, okay? If this was not there, it would be more easier to understand. So now look here. How many words with or without meaning, each of three vowels and two consonants, can be formed? Okay, you have to make a word with or without meaning which consists of three vowels and two consonants from the letters of the word involute. So from the involute word, you have to check first which are the vowels and consonants. So using those only, you have to arrange them. Is that clear? So what are the vowels? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, right? So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So these are nothing but vowels. And all the rest are called, all the remaining words are called consonants. Okay, so now first let me see what are the vowels in the word involute. So which are those vowels? Okay, this one. So there are four vowels. There are four vowels, and what are those? I, O, U, E. Right. So why I am writing vowels and consonants? It's because, okay, why I am picking those, because in the question they are telling you have to frame a word with or without meaning using the letters of the word in which three vowels and two consonants you have to take. You have to take vowels and consonants from them first. Okay. So four vowels, I, O, U, E. The remaining will be definitely consonants. So how many consonants are there? One. This is V, not U. Okay. One, two, three, three, four. Okay. So there are four consonants. There are four consonants. So what are those? N, V, N, V, L, T. So now we have bifurcated the letters of the word into vowels and consonant, students. Now what they are saying, you should take only three vowels from these. Okay, you should take two consonants. You have to use only two consonants. That means first you have to pick three vowels from four vowels and two consonants from four consonants and arrange them. So here selection is also happening and arrangement is also happening at the end. Okay, so the word tells us how many words with or without meaning you can form from the letters of the word involute, but you have to pick three vowels from them and two consonants. Means three vowels means, okay, three vowel letters plus two consonant letters. So how many you have to make? A five letter word with the condition that three must be vowels and two must be consonants. Is that clear? So now three vowels. Okay, we have to pick three vowels, right? Out of four vowels can be selected in how many ways? 4C3. And I have to pick two consonants also, students. So two consonants, they are asking not to use all the letters. They are saying among them bifurcate vowels and consonants and pick three vowels and two consonants and arrange the words out of three vowels and two consonants. So first select and see how many combinations you can make out of it. Two consonants out of four consonants can be selected in 4C2. Okay, now selection is done. Now we have to form a arrangement. You have to arrange the letters in some definite order to get the words with or without meaning, and the work is still going on. Okay, so the total number of ways will be 4C3 into 4C2, students. Okay, so now, so let me solve this. So this is nothing but 4C1 using NCR, NCN minus equal to NCN minus R formula. Okay. So into 4C2. So 4C1 is 4. Okay. So this is 4C2. 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial students. So can I write 4 factorial as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial? Okay, so what will I get? 4 into this 2 factorial. This 2 factorial get cancels. Okay, so 2 factorial is nothing but 2. 2 into 1, 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 4 twos are 12. 12. Okay. Sorry, 4 twos are 8. 8 threes are 24. Okay. So what is left now? 4 into 2 into 3. So 4 to z 24. So we got 24 combinations. 24 combinations out using 3 vowels and 2 consonants. Okay, now just we have selected students and this. Okay, so just we have written. So just we have written the combination. We have picked how many combinations can be made. So out of 3 vowels and 2 consonants. Okay, out of 3 vowels and 2 consonants. So how many letters are there in total? We have seen 5 letters. So those 5 letters can be arranged in how many places, students? 5 different ways. So hence the total. So for 24 combinations, the 5 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 5p 5 ways. So which is implies 24 into 5 factorial. So 24 5 factorial is 120. So 120 into 24 will be 120 into 24 students. It will be 2880, right? So these many words we can form. These many words we can form using 3 vowels and 2 consonants from the letters of the word involute. Okay. Okay, we shall see a last one problem and start with the doubt session. Okay. This is a interesting problem. Okay. So just keep your imagination open, students. So example 22, find the number of words with or without meaning, with or without meaning, which can be made, using all the letters, of the word, using all the letters of the word again, full stop. If these words are written in dictionary, so this is important here, are written in dictionary, what will be the 50th word? Okay, so now question is find the number of words with or without meaning which can be made using all the letters of the word again. So using all the letters of this word again, we need to check how many number of words are possible. That's the first part of the question. Okay, so among these number of words, if you write those words in dictionary, so dictionary means alphabetical order. You might have seen a dictionary, right? Everybody has hopefully seen a dictionary. I believe you have seen a dictionary. So dictionary, how the words will be arranged. First A letter, then B, then C, then D. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So it's first start with A letter, right? You can check your any dictionary. Then A if they, right. So unless and until, so every arrangement will be according to alphabetical wise in the dictionary. Okay, so now we need to check how many number of words with or without meaning can be made using the letters of the word again. So in the word again, how many letters are, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 letters. Okay, so 5 letters can be arranged in, be careful when the words are given. Okay, so the are they distinct or not distinct? Okay, so here A is appearing more than once. Okay, so it's a non-distinct example. Okay, so how will you do that? If a P1 is of one kind, if P2 objects are of another kind, so how will you arrange the n objects? N factorial by P1 factorial, P2 factorial into so on up to Pk factorial. So how many are there? 5 letters in the word again. So those can be arranged in 5p5, 5 factorial ways. But A appears how many times, students? 2 times. And the rest all are different. So A appearing twice. So that's why 2 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. Okay. So let's cancel this. 5 4s are 23. So from using the word again, so how many words did you get, students? 60 words. Now next part of the question. If these words, okay, if these 60 words are written in dictionary, means are written in dictionary in alphabetical wise. So this is hidden meaning. Okay, alphabetical is a hidden meaning with the dictionary. So these 60 words are written in dictionary. What will be the 50th word? Okay, so now let's see. So 60 words means, let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10, so on. Okay, so 11th word to 20th word, right? So similarly, 20th word to 30th word, so on up to 60th word, right? 60th word. So let's suppose this is our 50th word, right? 49, 48, so on. So they are telling those 60 words, arrange them or write them in a dictionary. So first word, second word, third word, fourth word. So at 50th word, what will be the arrangement of the letters? Okay, so now we shall see. So first what you have to do? First you have to start with A letter only. Right? In the dictionary, you should start with A letter only. So the first case. So you should start with A only. Using this only you should start. Right? So if you take A in the beginning, so how many still are left, students? There are 5 letters, right? So how many I have, so in the dictionary you are started writing it. Okay, you should start with A only. So how many are left now? 4 are left. Okay, so Gain. So for these 4 letters, how many places are there? 4 places. So 4p 4 ways. So 4 factorial. So 4 factorial, how many? 24 words. So that means the letter starting with A, the word starting with letter A, how many words are there, students? 24. So 1, 2, 3 up to 24th word, it's with A only. It's with A only. But I have to reach 50th word. They are asking what is the word in the 50th place. Okay. Now the second one. After A, among these letters, so alphabetical order, which will come? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So I have to take G. It should start next. So up to 24 word, it is A. So 25th word will start with G, students. And let me see till which place it will start, because I don't need all this. Don't worry about what is the word over there. Okay. So now G. So if you place G here, how many still are there? 4. So G is gone now. So what are the present? A, I, N. So 4 places for 4 not different letters. distinct letters. So it will be 4 factorial by 2 factorial ways, because in this collection A is appearing twice. So 4 factorial by 2 factorial, just check students, it will be 12 words. Okay, it will be 12 words. Okay, similarly, after G, H, I. So I will be started, right? So still there are 4 places. So after you start in the dictionary, start writing with I. So what are the elements left for you? A, G, N. So 4 places, 4 letters can be written in 4 factorial ways, but A is appearing twice. So divided by 2 factorial, students, which is equal to 12. So A letter comprises of 24 words, G letter comprises of 12 words, I letter comprises of 12 words. So can I say till now how many words we have written? So 24, 12 plus 12, 12, 24. So 48 words we have completed, students. Right? So up to, so up to 48 words. So let me write. So up to 48 words, I only will be present. Okay, so now we are very much near. We need 50th word, right? So up to 48 only I letter is only present. So after I, which letter will be there? N letter. It will start with N. So 48 I stops here. So 49 N begins. Right. So after N, which is the letter you will write in the dictionary? A only, because it should have to be alphabetical order dictionary. And there is one more A also. Right. So alphabet wise I am writing. So 49th word will start with N. That we have understood now. But we should, they are asking what exactly is the 50th word. So this has happened. So after A, which is to be arranged uh, alphabetically in dictionary, G, right? And then comes our I. So this is our 49th word. But students, they are asking 50th word, right? So the remaining all will be comprising of N only, right? Because all our letters are used now. So this will be again A only, right? So G, so after G is already used now alphabetic wise. So arrangement. So I will be used now. Okay. So hence our 50th word is, it doesn't have any meaning. Naig. Okay, so now this completes today's class. So students, these are some of the problems. So these problems were based on permutation understanding. So these won't be asked. Only the problems from 7.3, 9, 10, 11 and up to exercise 7.5. So sorry, 7.4, all the problems. Okay, thank you, students. Okay, so now just look here, students. What they are asking, arrange. Okay, so now in a dictionary, it should be written alphabetical wise, right? So how many words we got in the beginning? 60 words. There were 60 words, where 60 words out of again letters of the word again, right? So again, next part was write them in the dictionary. So how will you write them in a dictionary? Alphabetical wise, using these letters only. You cannot, there is no B here, so don't search for B over. Okay, you have to use the letters of this word only. So in these letters, see which are the letters, okay, and then write them according to the dictionary, that is alphabetical wise. Okay, so now total words we can frame is 60 words, right? So we started, so it should start with the alphabetical means. So among this, which is the first letter which will appear in the 26 letters of the English alphabet? A. Right. So A, how many A letters are there? 24 words. So from first word to the 24th position, the word will comprise of first letter will be A only. Okay. Then next, alphabet wise in this G will start. So G, how many words are there with G? 12. So 24 plus 12, how much? 36. So from 25, so 25 word to 36, how many it will be? G only, right? Then the next one, so the next letter, the alphabetical wise is in the given word is I. So I also comprises of how many words? 12 words. So from 36 to you need how many letters are there totally now? 48 words. So from first word to 48 word, from the letter in the alphabetical order among the given letters, N, right? Okay, so 49th position. So 49th position. So from 49, out of 60 words, up to 48 words, up to 48 words, up to 48 words, A will be used, G will be used, I will be used. So after 48, which is the position? 49. So according to the dictionary, after A, G, I, what is the letter will come? N. Right. So now form a word using the letters according to dictionary. Right. So now this is fixed. So how will you write the remaining letters alphabetically? A. So there is one more A. Alphabet wise, students. So next alphabet will be G, right? And I, right? So we don't need 49, we need 50th word, students, right? So 50th word will also start with N, right? So because you can see N also, how many N are there? So fourth part, if N is fixed at the first place, so till here A, G, I, there are 48 words. So if you fix N at the first place, so the remaining 4 factorial by 2, so it will be 12 words, right? So 48 words plus 12 words, how many? 60 words. So we got our 60 words, right? So 50th word will be N. Okay, so again I'll write it alphabetically. A. So 49th is already G here. So next part will be, so what is the next letter in the dictionary? You cannot use again this one only, right? So how will you use? Because you have to write according to dictionary alphabet wise, right? So Gi one you have already written here. So how you can write the next word? By taking I first, and then you have to fill the G first. So the 50th word will be NAAIG. Okay.
So one of the students, they are asking about cricket problem. So actually it is of exercise 7.4, seventh problem, right? So the cricket problem is of what here? Seventh problem of exercise 7.4. So what was the question here? In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11, right? So we should form a cricket team of 11, right? We should form a cricket team of 11 from 17 players, they are saying here. So I should form a cricket team of 11 from 17 players. So I should choose 11 players for the cricket team from how many here? 17. They have provided what here? 17 players information there. So I have to form a cricket team means what means? What it means here? 11 must be included there. So in this way I have to make the selection, but some other conditions they have provided in further there. See the question here. One select. How many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in which only 5 players can bowl? They are giving some information here. They are giving some information that 5 players can bowl. Can bowl. So in this 17 players, they are giving the information that 5 players can bowl here, right? So now, if you see the further question there, if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. So what you are selecting the 11 players, right? So in this must and should, what should be there here? 4 bowlers should be there here. You are choosing a 11 players there for the cricket team, and they are saying that in this 11 players 4 should be a bowlers compulsory there, right? So in how many ways we can do here? So this is the total selection actually. When they have provided the condition means it splits up here. So what they are saying here, they have given that in the 17 players there are 5 bowlers. They have given already the information there. There are 5 bowlers, and rest all are what here? Rest 12 are nothing but what here? Either they are batsmen or they are all rounder here. But I want to select how much here? I want to select how much here? I want to select 11 players. That too what? While selecting 11 players, 4 bowlers should be there compulsory. So I can choose 4 bowlers from the 5 bowlers itself. I can't choose 4 bowlers from here. So I should choose 4 bowlers from the given information of 5 players there. Got it? So now, still how many I should select now? I am selecting 4 means still how many are selecting? I should select now here. That is 7. Okay. 7 plus 4 how much? 7 plus 4 is 11. Out of 12 plus 5, 17. So in this way, got it? So from the 17 players, I should choose 11 players for the cricket team in such a way that 4 should be what here? Bowlers. Remaining are chosen from the rest all things there. So you can do this thing here for the simplification, right? It is left for you for the homework here. Just do for the simplifications. Okay. Thank you, students.